Welcome to this lesson on perpendicular lines and negative reciprocal slopes in algebra. By the end of this video, you will understand exactly how the slopes of perpendicular lines are related and how to calculate them. First, let us define what perpendicular lines actually are. They are simply two lines that cross each other to form a perfect 90-degree angle, also known as a right angle. This specific type of intersection is fundamental in geometry. Before we dive into the rule, recall that slope, represented by the letter m, measures the steepness of a line. It is calculated as the rise divided by the run. The slope also tells us the direction. A positive slope goes uphill, while a negative slope goes downhill. So, how do the slopes of perpendicular lines relate? They are negative reciprocals of each other. This means you perform two steps to go from one slope to the other. First, you flip the fraction upside down to get the reciprocal. Second, you change the sign from positive to negative, or vice versa. Mathematically, this relationship can be written as a simple formula. m1 multiplied by m2 equals -1. If you multiply the slopes of two perpendicular lines together, the product will always be -1. Why does this happen? Imagine taking a slope triangle and rotating it 90 degrees. The vertical rise becomes the horizontal run, and the horizontal run becomes the vertical rise. This swap creates the reciprocal. Since the direction also changes from uphill to downhill, the sign must change too. Let us try an example. Suppose we have a line with a slope of 2. To find the perpendicular slope, think of 2 as 2 over 1. First, flip it to get 1 over 2. Then, change the sign to negative. The result is -1/2. Here is a slightly harder one involving a fraction. If our starting slope is -4/5, what is the perpendicular slope? First, flip the fraction 4/5 to get 5/4. Since the original was negative, the new slope becomes positive. So the answer is +5/4. To summarize, perpendicular lines meet at 90-degree angles. Their slopes are negative reciprocals of each other. You can verify this by checking if their product is -1. Just remember, flip the fraction and change the sign.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.